bitter. Now guys, we're here in Watamola Beach and
We're enjoying the
we're
food.
enjoying the food and we have picnic and together with Annalyn, Sister Annalyn and the support workers, the two support workers from. Are you also in the healthcare?
From from not from other providers.
Other provider.
I can join.
Yeah.
Okay.
Two
Do
support
they need
workers
to
from
go?
healthcare.
Yeah.
Jeremy and my friend
Yeah.
and me.
Ate, diba?
And this is the surroundings. This is the view. Jeremy, away, Jeremy. This is the view. What? Is this the beach or like a bay?
The beach
Beach.
down there. Yeah, beach
But
park.
what kind of beach is this? They're full of surrounded with the trees and grasses.
Ate, down there.
Oh,
The beach.
down there.
Yeah.
But surrounded with the trees and
Yeah,
rocks.
very nice.
No, nice. Karugtong. Wow. Oh, this is luckily ilalatan Gio dito.
Sorry,
And then we go to Chili Beach.
Ano ako sa daing.
Because it's just only 10 minutes drive from here going there. Okay.
Don't go without me.
Yeah.
Ate, kain.
I won't.